Hi guys, welcome to a new video. Today we're going to be talking about Ferrari Dino Seat Foams. Here we've got a great example of a knackered old Ferrari Dino Seat Foam. I'm sure you can see here, that's just powder falling off there. Not great. This foam here has got a nice curved shape to it, not something that's easily replicated out of a sheet of foam. So what we've done is made a mould of a seat foam so that we can recreate new seat foams. What we're going to do now is we're going to get Lorenzo to prep this up, and then you'll see us pouring the foam, bolting it all together, and then tomorrow we'll take this apart and show you the finished product. Okay, so you've just seen us pouring the foam into the mould. We're now going to leave this to the end of the day and we'll come back, we'll take the cover off, and hopefully we'll have a perfect mould to show you. Okay, so you join us at the end of the day and we're going to take the top off the mould and pull the foam out to show you what's happened. Sides come off lovely. So there we go, there's the foam. You'll see on here it's starting to wrinkle up. That will happen overnight, and then tomorrow we hit this with a mallet and it all springs back to life. So once you see this fitted on a seat, it'll be perfect as you would expect. So just so you see this application going into the seat frame, all of this would get trimmed off and tidied up once we've sort of popped them back up when they collapse tomorrow. But you can see here, these just sit onto the Dino seat frame there. And then you have the center foam that sits in there to give you that full Dino seat foam set. We can also do the headrest foams, which we'll probably show in another video at another time, because that's quite an interesting one as well. But if you have enjoyed this video and you've got any questions, pop them below and we'll get back to you. give it a like, share it, and if you're really enjoying our videos, think about subscribing. We'll see you in the next one.